Hey you guys, it's Thatgirlkitaa, and as you can tell by the title and this wig cap on my head, we are doing another wig review. Today's video is sponsored by Recool. They sent me their deep wave lace closure wig in 16 inches. So this is the nice satin bag you get. Inside there are some goodies. We love goodies. Oh my god. So we got a headband, definitely gonna wear this on a cruise, a bonnet, edge brush, a comb, and some clips, a wig cap, and some lashes. Whew. Y'all done spoiled the girl, okay? I am definitely going to use this comb, so let me take this out right now. And this edge brush, because even though I have a million, I can't find mine, so. And I like how they put the wig description inside the box, because I really do be forgetting. It's terrible. So here's the wig. It did come in a hairnet, but I took the hairnet off and started to pluck the hairline a little. But let me go ahead and show you guys what the inside looks like. Get into this bomb construction. Okay, so this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. There are two combs on the side, one in the back, this adjustable strap, and there is an elastic band. So this wig is definitely a glueless wig. Now let's put her on. Actually, y'all, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Actually, I'm gonna pull this down some, because every time I put a wig on, it slides back, and I'm just like, ugh. Am I the only one that's like over wearing wig caps? I don't want to do the ball cap method, and these things keep sliding. But anyways. Okay. The band isn't tight at all. Look at there. Like I said. You make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. So now it's time to customize it and style it. So let's get into it. Enjoy the process. Alright y'all, so I caught myself trying to customize this hairline a little, and first let me just say the hairline wasn't bad at all. Like, it was actually pretty good. You can definitely just put this wig on and go, but I'm trying to get better at customizing my hairline, so I did a little plucking.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit.
Okay, so the hairline is looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. But now I'm just gonna start working on getting this wig to lay flat, honey. We do not want a bumpy wig. That is not cute, not even with the curly wig. So what I like to do is use my wax stick to, you know, lay down those flyaways, and then also this will help the hair stay flat, literally. I'm taking my hot comb on the highest setting. Yes, I burnt myself a few times, but that's okay. That is okay. As I am just hot combing my roots, and I like to do this thing where I place my hand over the section I just hot combed. I feel like it gets it really flat, but child, I don't know.
Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. damn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, it's just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient.
So now I'm just going to define my curls using some water and some leave-in conditioner. I'm also using a Denman brush. Well, it's a bootleg Denman brush that I got from the beauty supply store, but listen, it still defines the curls. Y'all, Recool done showed out because this hair is so soft and so easy to detangle. I'm literally impressed with this texture.
It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, I drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, stay to your place, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wake up a minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. And right from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I'll never be sober.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually
Y'all, get into this unit. To get into this lace, okay? And this is without any lace adhesives, hairspray, anything like that. Baby hairs, okay? Oh, it looks so good. But y'all know I'm a little extra, so I definitely went ahead and cut me some baby hairs. I just wanted to show y'all how bomb the wig was without anything extra.
you was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Well, y'all, that concludes today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks again, Recool, for sponsoring today's video. Like I said, I'm impressed and obsessed with this hair. Make sure y'all check them out. I will have their information linked down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But yeah, y'all, I will see you in my next video. Bye.